Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a candle snuffer set. A lot of people see these, and I was asked before to do a video on this, so I'm going to do it and show you what is the purpose of these and why they are good to use these to prolong your candle usage and have them burn evenly. So I have a candle here that I got for Valentine's Day that I burn like almost at least every other day, and it smells so good. So you can see it's been burned quite a bit, and it's like halfway. So I'm going to show you guys how these pieces are used. Now you have three parts to a candle snuffer set. You have the wick pusher, you have the wick cutter, and then you have the wick snuffer. This is the actual item that snuffs out the candle. Now the reason for this one is so that you can put the candle out without the soot and the smoke that gives that extra smell after you release the fire from the wicks. That smell that most people don't like. So if you don't like that smell, that is why people use candle snuffers. Now, you could use the top of your candle as well and just smother the fire like that. But then if you want to use this later, usually this will be burnt and look all black with soot and stuff like that. So this particular candle, it is ready to be clipped. So you also have the clipper. Now the clipper is what you use to make sure that you are clipping the ends of the candle down so that it has a even burn all the way around. You don't want to burn your candle wicks with the candle with the wicks high. You want to get them as low as you can, and this actually clips it and holds that burnt part inside this. So let me show y'all how that works. So you go in, you grab it, and you clip it. And then that piece is sitting right there inside the cutter. And you just discard it. And you do all of them the same and try to keep them kind of evenly cut. Like that. And you go to the other one. And this is going to help your candle to burn. Like, see how even mine is in there? To burn evenly. And you don't have to worry about it pooling up and making all these other shapes inside the candle. So once you've done that, it is time to burn it. So I'm going to burn my candle. Light my candle, I mean. Okay. So now that it's lit, I'm going to show you how you would use the others. So we're gonna let it burn just for a little bit. That way I can show you how to use this and that. All right, I think it's burned enough. So the Wick Dipper is this one, and it shows, it looks just like a little hook like that. And what you do if you want to put it out without the actual soot, is the soot and the smoke and that smell as well, is you take the Wick Dipper and you put it down in the candle and you push the wick over, and see, no smoke, no soot or anything. You push the wick over into the wax like that, and that's how you use the Wick Dipper. Most people don't even know what these are, so you can just go on and dip them all out, right? And then for this one, this is the snuffer. You take and you put it, let me see where you got it so you guys can see it really good. You take and you just take it and put it right over it, and it'll snuff out the actual wick. Nice and easy like that. So it's less smoke and you don't get that smell of, oh, somebody put a candle out. So that is how you use a candle snuffer set. I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a comment below. If you have any questions or you want me to do any DIYs and how-tos, please leave it below. If you are new to the channel, join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And make sure you share the channel. I promise you there's a lot of great stuff for everybody on this channel. And guess what? I will see you guys later.